After the 100 days prayers, the first Sunday of the new month, you can imagine amazing crowd. Upon the rain, the heavy rain going down, this happening in the Holy Zion Ministry. Prophet Ebukobi, onye Chineke ji ike chọọ mma ike ahụ ebu ya ndị prophet 100 ebu ya ofu onye. Upon how heavy is the rain, anointing of God have never stopped people flowing up and down. Many people from different places, some that come from America and have not gone back, some have afforded to miss their flights because they don't want to miss the grace upon the prophet Ebukobi. They actually miss grace at all, and that's really flopping around everywhere. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Royal Majesty King Jeff Agugbaola in Zion Ministry. Ebaka crowd in and equal up and down in everywhere. So now Zion Ministry. Maki Kebu, we are prophet Ebukobi. Upon a million everybody. I won't know what I need to do with a million. Upon that, I can equal and as on our what's in the crowd. If I draw. Upon a crusade, we work with 7.8 million people. We are not chosen a massive land like Lagos State in the home. Anointing Buten at Jerusalem, Buten at Damascus, anointing no Apocol, non the Mosin in the Brubunia, Prophet Ebukobi, or Neme, the Woolon in Egypt. Offers in there, put us in the Woolon in non-announce, put a lion as Zion Ministry. Car for full power when all the Kuriaga region. Okanko here, Sunday native doctor Nina, Nde Umu Kere and the Dibianina, and the ala wine and the ala okay. Now, and then after chicken na Bomo, the Bomo native doctor, Bomo is the millionaire, is the Nana, they make noise everywhere in it. So many Nana, you could say, man, there is a power in Zion Ministry, and with power, and power who mobile power and down Akavaka, who assess power, who have ones also anointing in age. Even in age, and we're more than 38,000 people were healed. So for now, for on. Oya, na cancer na na chongwa na brutal female. You know how to dig to work supposed to be. Yeni na so na Zion kana afia. So na Zion, want bozo. Ka kogi bi. So it's better for you to sit in Zion Ministry. Ladies and gentlemen, please. It can't be better anywhere but at Zion Ministry. Omo Zion, Omo Zion, Omo Zion, Zion, Zion. When the monkey bars one move, It's all can do, move. This month, he wake Otabayamba month. Anointing prophet Ebukobi. Anointing prophet Ebukobi the SS. Because the pastor there na eto instead of a Ghana and native doctor biano ka prophet Ebukobi go for gone oversize prophet Ebukobi oversize in their money. Ladies and gentlemen, in case it done. This is happening in Zion Ministry, and this is located Zion Estate in Lagos, situated at Ago Street here where Zion Estate. For your information, Beacon, ladies and gentlemen, share this video. Tell someone to tell all this native doctor. The pastor Nina Nagananke, the native doctor. I told her go here actual faith. All the faith together roll up behind faith in Zion. I am with faith, I make faith. If I actually faith, it's faith. God bless you, ladies and gentlemen. His Royal Majesty King Jeff Agugbaola. Zion we move. Zion we stand. Zion I adore Ike. Ike I will billionaire. I carry go millionaire. I was in a billionaire one.